Hello, my dear children. Now again, our practical class. Earlier, we had performed 4 experiments, that is vernier calipers to find out the diameter of a spherical bob, internal diameter and depth of a calorimeter by vernier calipers, then the diameter of a wire by screw gauge, and then to find out the radius of curvature of an spherical surface by spirometer. Now today we are going to see our experiment number 5 in our first term syllabus. There are 4 experiments, but we are doing one more extra experiment. Out of these 5, you have to perform 2 experiments in examination. Our practical name, that is experiment 5, that we are going to learn today. Using a simple pendulum, here, using a simple pendulum, plot LT square graph, LT square graph. L is the length of a thread, T is the time period, and use it to find the effective length. Find the effective length of second pendulum, that we are going to see here. My dear children, the apparatus required in this particular experiment that we are going to see right now, here are the 3 main apparatus. That is, first, this is a simple pendulum. Here is a bob. This is a bob. The diameter of a bob that we had seen earlier in the experiment number 1. Here it is a thread. Okay, so this is a simple pendulum. हम इसका टाइम पीरियड नोट करेंगे अभी. Here it is a stopwatch by which we measure the time from this side. Here it is on, watch is on, then from this side the watch is on, and again if you want to stop it, you can stop it like this and measure how many seconds are there. And third one, to measure the length of this thread, we have to use this 1 meter scale. So these are the main 3 instruments. Again I am telling, here is a simple pendulum through which a bob is connected. Here the stopwatch, and third one is the scale. My dear children, the apparatus required, you write down these 3 names. Then I can say the formula which we have used here. The formula or theory, you can write it from your lab manual. Main formula, the length of the simple pendulum, the length of the simple pendulum, that is very important. That is, the length of the simple pendulum is, that is, L is equal to length of the thread plus length of the hook of the bob. length of the hook of the bob, and third one that we are taking here, mean radius of the spherical bob. Mean radius of the spherical bob. These main three things are there. That you can say L dash plus H plus R. This is the main theory part here. Then you can draw this figure. Here it is a figure that you can draw with the help of your lab manual, or you can see here the different position we can measure here. Then the important thing is the observation table. Here, my dear children, the observation table that we are seeing here, first we have to write serial number. Here, the length of the thread. You can say this is LS. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5 observations we have to take. Then here we have to write the total length at this, that is L is equal to L dash plus H plus R. The length of the hook that we can measure from the scale, and the diameter of the bob that we can measure by vernier calipers. And then here you have to write the time period for 20 vibration. अभी बताएंगे आपको टाइम पीरियड, लिखिए for 20 vibration. Okay, then here you can write first you write the time taken in 20 vibration. Time T is there, then time period here. Fourth one is time period, that is T by 20. For 20 vibration the time period you can find out. And at last here that you can find out, that is T square. So these are the main important things we are going to measure right now with our experiment of simple pendulum. This is the observation table. Is that clear? So draw this table. अभी हम प्रैक्टिकल करेंगे. Then उसके बाद you have to draw a graph in between L and T square. If you are going to draw a graph in between L and T square, this is the length. Before you drawing the graph, you have to choose scale along x-axis or along y-axis. So this is OX and OY. Make a scale. Then draw the graph. Is that clear? If you have any kind of problem to draw the graph, then you may ask. When you draw the graph in between L and T square, you will get like that of straight line. So this graph you have to draw there in L and T square. T square, it is in seconds. Here it is in centimeter. Then at last, we have to write result. एक्सपेरिमेंटल लेंथ, जो टोटल लेंथ है हमारी 100 सेंटीमीटर है, ये मान के चले आप. देन द एक्चुअल लेंथ जो आ रही है, एक्सपेरिमेंटल लेंथ तो 100 सेंटीमीटर जैसे मान लिया, एक्चुअल लेंथ आ रही है उससे कुछ कम, क्योंकि उसमें द लेंथ ऑफ द हुक ऑफ द बॉब and the diameter or sorry, that radius of a bob is also including over there. तो जैसे लेंथ अगर 100 लिया, एक्चुअल लेंथ ये हो गया, तो उसके हिसाब से आप रिजल्ट लिखेंगे. रिजल्ट में तो इतना सा लिखिए, द ग्राफ इन बिटवीन L and T square we are getting 100, L and T square we are getting straight line. Is it clear? Okay. Now, then my dear children, when the time period is 2 seconds, here say it is 2 seconds, suppose. At that time, what is the length? That is called length of the second pendulum. ये theory में हम बाद में पढ़ेंगे. When the time period is 2 seconds and the length of the pendulum, length of the thread and pendulum, जो पूरा pendulum है उसकी length, that is called length of the second pendulum. Second pendulum that you can find out. Here I can say, my dear children, that is called when the time period is 2 seconds, effective length of second pendulum. This is result, and then you have to write precautions. Okay? Now we are going to perform. This is the demonstration of this experiment. Now I am coming to perform the experiment. Okay? See here. Just you saw in our video the demonstration of this experiment of simple pendulum. Now we are going to perform this experiment. First I have to write down here then the length of this hook, and then the diameter of the bob, that I have already measured here, the length of the hook and the diameter of the bob, or I can say the half of this, that is radius. That is, I can say, my dear children, you see here the height of the bob, and that you here I can say once again I am measuring in front of you, that is like this. Just a minute. Here that is 1, and then the height is 1 centimeter, and the radius of the bob, that is 0.5 centimeter. The total H plus R, that is 1.5 centimeter. You have to write there. You need not to again measure here with the help of vernier calipers. You can directly write, that is the length of the hook and the radius of the bob is 1.5 centimeter. We are going to write here H plus R. It is clear? So my dear children, you see that this is H plus R. Here is 1.5 centimeter that we have to add here. Now, first we are taking the length of the simple pendulum here. That is, just open this here like this. Easily. Now, what is the length here? देखिए 1.5 पहले ही है हमारे पास, तो हम यहां पर 78.5 ले रहे हैं. We are going to measure the length here from this. Here 78 लेना है, ज्यादा हो गया, वापस कम कर दीजिए इसको. Now here see that where is the 78? Yes, 67. You see here, this is 78.5. यहाँ आएगा, इसको मैं और छोटा कर रहा हूं अभी, देखिएगा. Here like this. Oh, sorry. Now again measure the length. Here it is 82. तो थोड़ा और इसको हम ऊपर करेंगे अभी. Here now see that here the length, yes, okay, 78.5, yes, this is the 78.5 centimeter length of this thread, and 1.5 is the length of the hook of the bob and the radius of the bob. So that total comes out to be L dash 78.5, then 78.5 plus 1.5, that is 80 centimeter. Here, this is our first length, okay. Here it is a 80 centimeter. I can write here 80 centimeter, okay. Now, अब देखिए हम कैसे calculate करेंगे. Yes, you just take the 2 point here. Say one point is here and another point is here on both the side, and we are going to start from here. See that, and stopwatch is in my hand. Just this is the, ये चालू करेंगे और ये ऑफिस रोकना है तो ऐसे रोक देंगे अपन, ये ओके. रेडी. नाउ सी, और आई एम काउंटिंग हियर. जब ये यहां जाकर के बच्चों इधर जाएगा और वापस इधर आएगा, वन ऑसिलेशन कराएगा. कैसे देखना, दिस इज वन, दिस इज टू, लाइक दिस, ओके. नाउ सी हियर, स्टार्ट कर रहा हूं मैं. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. See that when the 20 oscillations are there, इसको बोलते हैं बच्चों 20 oscillations, and in 20 oscillations 36 second is there. See that here is a 36 second. So I have to write here, see in my observation table, at time period this is 36 second, okay. This is the 36 second time period is there. Then अब टाइम, ये तो टाइम हो गया टोटल. टाइम पीरियड निकालना है तो 36 by 20, that is 1.8, okay. Now we take the second observation. Now we will take the length 90 centimeter. For that I am taking here 88.5, then 100 centimeter, then 110 centimeter, then 120 centimeter. Every time we have to take 98.5, then we have to take 108.5, then 118.5, and measure the time every time. Now let us see. One more observation we are going to take. अभी कितना था 78.5, अब मैं थोड़ा और बढ़ा रहा हूं इसको. See here, yes. Now हमको लेना है 88.5. Where is 88.5? ये here. Here I can say that, yes, very good. Exact length है ये, देखो नीचे से. Yes, very good. ये this is the 88.5. Now the length of the thread is 80.5, and again we are going to take the time for the 20 vibration. Okay. Now I am taking here length increase कर दिया मैंने. Now see, ready? Stopwatch ready? एक हाथ में. Yes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. Now see here. We are seeing here that at length is this one, the time period increases little bit. So what is the total time for 20 vibration? Here you can say the total time for the 20 vibration is 38 seconds. Okay, so 38 by 20. Now that is 1.9. This is the second observation, right? Similarly, we will increase the length of the pendulum 100 centimeter. For that we have to take 98.5 and again take the time, that will be 40 seconds, 42 seconds, 44 seconds like this. And the time we can see here, that is here the 40 by 20, 42 by 20, 44 by 20 like this. 2 सेकेंड, 2.1 सेकेंड, 2.2 सेकेंड. जैसे जैसे हम लेंथ बढ़ाएंगे, वैसे वैसे हमारा टाइम पीरियड बढ़ रहा है. तो यूज दीज रीडिंग्स हियर. सी दैट these are the readings you have to take here. For 80 centimeter 1.8, 90 centimeter 1.9, 100 centimeter 2 second, 110 centimeter 2.1 second, 120 centimeter 2.2 second. अब देखिए बच्चों, when the time period is 2 second, at that time the length is 100 centimeter, but this length is including with the length of the hook and length of the diameter, radius of the bob. So actual length at that time is 98.5 centimeter. So this is the length of second pendulum. And if you draw the graph in between length and t square, here it is the length and here is the t square, you will get such type of graph. Okay? So my dear children, this is the way to increase the length of the thread. Again, measure the vibrations, 20 vibration, टाइम नोट करिए, टाइम पीरियड निकालिए, टाइम पीरियड का स्क्वायर कीजिए. तो दिस इज द वे to complete our experiment. Okay, if you have any kind of problem, then you may discuss me. Is it clear? Or if you want to take one more observation, you may take one more observation. See again here, like this. Say this is the length of the pendulum is 98.5 centimeter. At that time, we can again measure. Here again I am taking. See here the length is 98.5. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. See that? When the length is 98.5, the time which we will measure in this stopwatch is 40 seconds. That we had written here. You see that? Here. 40 seconds. Is it clear? You can see? Yes, at that time the time period is 2 seconds. That is the length of the second pendulum. Okay? So this is the way you write these 5 observations in your lab manual. Okay? Bye.